Kansas State can be a home away from home if you allow it to be, and I think that it's a very easy place for that to happen. K-State just brings such a different environment into such a small town. It carries such a big package.
I would say the beauty of the architecture and just like the beauty of K-State stuck out to me the most, especially Hale Library, because that place is amazing, and so it got me really excited to start school.
What stuck out to me on my campus visit was just the whole environment and the scenery of Manhattan. I really love campus.
The dorms are awesome. If you're living with roommates, you get to spend a lot of time with them and bond and stuff and eat at a great dining facility.
I was really looking forward to touring, and I really liked the classrooms and the layout of them, and then the study spaces. I knew that I would get a lot of work done in those.
They have a lot of resources, and the staff there just was really friendly, and it's very hospitable, so I appreciated that.
Provide a great space for students to learn and study, make sure that they can get their degree with ease.
It was really good to meet people that are also involved in something that I'm involved in.
I've been able to find myself more and more as time goes on here. So if you're anywhere looking for that kind of environment and that kind of home away from home feeling, K-State is definitely the place to go. So go Cats.